Updating your legal name on EquityNet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your EquityNet account by entering your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the profile drop-down menu or on the dashboard. Click on it to proceed to your account details. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the account settings, look for the option to update your personal information or specifically your name. Click on this option to begin the name change process. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your changes. After entering your new name, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the update is processed. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on EquityNet. Make sure to keep your account information up to date for a smooth experience.